Yeah. Okay, that's probably what the radar is seeing. Look how, see how fast it's moving?
Yeah.
Wow,
Ooh,
you see that green?
Yes, I did. And that again, those are transformers.
Oh, those are transformers
going.
exploding. You know,
Okay.
if the transformers are exploding, it could be because wind is messing with the.
Yeah.
Let's get on the other side of this door.
Okay. Wind's picking up.
It is?
Yeah. Yes, something is fast.
Mama, look.
Get in the bathroom. We're gonna. Trust me, we've already
get in that one.
we've already come inside.
All right.
This is not the smartest thing I've ever done.
Oh, it's not as stupid as that time you were outside filming until it was on top of you. The Jesus Christ video?
Yeah. Yeah, see, you can't see nothing.
Well, and there goes the siren. Hear the siren?
Now it goes off.
Okay.
She'll be fine.
Go sit in the bathtub, sweetheart.
All right. See, the wind is blown. The wind has died down some.
Yeah.
I think that was it. I think that was just a little bit of rotation.
Yeah. We never did get hail. Hattie's ass is under the bed. Hey, Hattie, you can come out.
Now this is those Mississippi Ironworks doors.
Yeah.
Is this plexiglass or
No, I think it's
Lexan?
glass.
Okay. Hey, it's picking back up again.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Here it is. Yeah, it's on top of us.
Baby, are you in the bathtub? Okay.
Yep,
that's
it's
good.
right on top of us. See it? Going
Yeah.
sideways?
Yeah. We're there, dude. Is Mama in the bathroom?
No.
Go tell Mama to get in the bathroom.
Eat your heart out, Barbie Bassett.
Okay.
Someone call Sharon and tell her we're okay.
Well, not yet.
Because we're not okay yet?
Yeah. Are you sure you're filming anything and not just
Yeah.
glare on the glass?
Yeah. Okay, look, it's reverse direction. That means we're on the other side of the rotation.
It'd be funny if it blew the gas grill the other way.
It's the same cow. Okay. I think we're good. Yep. Yeah, we're fine.